Hi guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks, and today's video is all about fitness. So what I'm going to talk about, I'm sure you would have related with the topic or the headline given out there. So today I'm going to review one product which I have used personally and what kind of a benefit it has given me, it worked or not. We are going to talk about that in today's video. The product what I'm talking about is Saffola Fittify High Protein Slim Milk Shake. So girls out there who are willing to lose weight and they wanted some supplement to just get added and enhance or boost up their weight loss process, then you are right there, and you would get a little information over here so that you can also know if you should reach out for these products or not. And I am making this video because as nutritionist, I always look up to what all the products you have in the market as in supplement, and what I look up to is the natural ingredients. So if those have natural ingredients, then surely I would love to reach, otherwise I just refrain myself. So reason why I'm making this video, because I have tried this particular product during my weight loss journey post pregnancy, and this was quite helpful for me. So let's see in what kind of a purpose it was helpful for me, or you should buy, you shouldn't buy, that also I will discuss, and how to use, etc. So without further ado, let's get started. I know most of you must be thinking you would have done something, most of the things apart from this to have your weight loss done. Yes, I did many things, so for which I'll be making a separate video. But today I just wanted to review this product because many of my friends and people out there asked me about this particular product and asked me what kind of a protein shake, whey protein or any supplements to be taken. So now when I was on my weight loss journey, in beginning when you try to lose weight, you tend to reduce more weight. So I would say if you are in the weight loss journey, you can start using this because this is available in different flavors. But if you are in the weight maintenance, then you might not see that kind of weight loss which they promise, like 4 kgs in 2 months they say. Yeah, so they say that this is for weight control and management, and that's for sure is right. So it is not something that will have your weight loss completely if you are on this diet itself and you don't want to use any other things. Then no, it's not like that. You have to be on diet and you have to constantly be exercising 4 to 5 days per week. Exercise is important along with good healthy diet, and this could be the supplement. They also say this is a meal replacement. So most of them, they think that okay, should I replace this with my lunch or dinner or how it is? I would say you can do. If you had your heavy breakfast, then you can replace with this your lunch. But what I have done, I haven't, since I believe in natural food first and then those supplements. Reason why I have never used this in the lunch or dinner. But I have used this as my breakfast, and for breakfast also some of the times mid-morning snack or evening snack. I have replaced this because those mid-morning snack time or the evening time, you get lots of craving, maybe sometimes that sweet cravings too. So then I've replaced it and I started using this. So first let's discuss what all it claims. So they say that they have fiber, 4.2 gram fiber, 26 vitamins and minerals, 206k calories, up to 70% less calories, what usually you take from your lunch and dinner. So this would give you less calories and this will make you fuller. So now we are talking about the protein content, which is the most important part. So they say it contains 19.2 grams of protein, which is quite good enough. You can have this because at the end of the day, when you are on weight loss process, you wanted a good amount of protein. So this would also fulfill the need. So in that terms, it is good. Yeah, for sure, if you see other protein powders like whey protein and few others are available on Amazon, would give you much more protein than this, but this is also not bad. Say it is also got goodness of quinoa, turmeric, buckwheat, moringa, amaranth, etc. And all of these provide you all the fiber, vitamin and everything. This is the reason why I like this, because they have given so many ingredients. Usually when you take other protein supplements, it would be rich only in protein and nothing else, but you can get all the micronutrients also from this powder, which is a great part. And this is plant-based protein, which is very good. And this box contains 12 servings. And also whenever you buy this box from Amazon, you're getting buy one get one free. So if you buy this, then you'll get one more free. So now I'm showing you two different flavors, but this is not the case. Usually what they do, if you buy suppose Alfonso mango, then you will get the same thing, same flavor with this. You won't be getting Swiss chocolate. So you'll have to have 2 pack of the same, but don't worry, this goes for a longer time. So how I used to take is, as I told you, in the evening or maybe mid morning. So what I used to do, I used to take 150 ml of milk, which has been written out here. You need to take 150 ml of milk and 2 scoops of powder, they say, but I used to take 1.5 scoop of the powder, and that was enough for me. So that's how I used to and the good part is it also makes you feel fuller, and it also stops those cravings. You get those cravings to eat something sweet, and this is delicious in flavor. So now what all flavors it has Alfonso mango, then it has Swiss chocolate flavor, and then I have also tried cream and cookie flavor, and I have also tried their pistachio flavor. I think one more vanilla or some flavor is available. I will just provide you all the pictures in this clip so that you know what all flavors are available. About cream and cookie and mango, this has got little sweetness out there because they have added a flavor out there. But when we talk about Swiss chocolate and pistachio one, it does not have any sweet flavor. So ask me, I like that without sweet. It is okay, it is having the natural sweetness, and it's not required that you need something sweet. But yeah, out of all of these, my favorite flavor is Alfonso mango. That it tastes so yummy that you want to taste this all the time. So either you can use it in your milk, and how I used to do, I'm not in mood to take milk, I used to have this in overnight soaked oats. So I make that oats recipe, which I've already shared on Instagram, you can check. So what I used to do, you soak the oats overnight, then you with the milk or curd, and then add all the dry fruits, and then 1.5 scoops of this powder, and then just have it. So that gives you a full meal, and you just feel so full and satiated. You don't need anything else. Even dinner time, I never used to feel hungry, and I used to have my soups and salads, and that's it. And I used to go to bed after 3 hours of my dinner. So when you talk about this, I was talking about weight loss. When you talk about weight management, yes, the same process you can follow. You can have it in the evening, or I would suggest you to have it in the evening or in the mid morning, rather than don't skip your lunch and dinner for this. I would say that have your proper meal. If you are on weight loss, also include protein, include fiber in your diet. It has to be rich in protein and fiber and other minerals. Reduce carbs quantity and increase your protein and fiber quantity, and take food. When it comes to this is good as snack item. Now when I talk about the price point of view, if you see this box, they say that 1599 rupees for this, but when you buy from Amazon, it is always on discount. So you buy this in some 1000, 1100, sometimes in 900 also, and you're getting two boxes because buy one get one. So you'll have to pay 1900, or as I told you 1100 for those 2 boxes, and that would go for a longer time. It goes for more than a month, so if you have it daily also. Now the point is, does the weight loss happen with this? Yes, weight loss happened with this, because I tried this. So initially when I was losing weight, it actually, they say that 2 kgs in 1 month, and it's the truth. If you use this, that will definitely boost up your weight loss, and you would definitely see extra weight loss on your scale. And but but this has to be followed along with a good healthy diet, because if you think that only this would help, this won't. Your good diet, your exercise, and then this comes, then surely you would be able to lose 2 kgs or more than that. Now, and when you talk about weight maintenance, still I am taking this. I take whey protein also before my workout, or this as in my evening or mid morning snacks, and this is superb. I maintain my weight. If you wanted to lose the weight or maintain weight, I would suggest you to have this. This is not bad. If you are into a whey protein, then you can choose that, but this is also very, very good product, and you can surely buy this. It's been so long time I have been using this, and this is superb. Talk about the net quantity of this one box. They say it is 420 grams, so one box contains 420 grams of product. So that's it for today's, guys. Hope you liked this review. Maybe this video would be somewhere helpful to you. If you have further questions like related to diet, or related to this product, or how to lose weight, or any other foods for any other health concern or something, please comment below so that I can help you with that. And thank you so much for watching this video and giving me your valuable time. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.